In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign document for free. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the DocuSign homepage. Once there, locate the Send an Envelope option. This is your gateway to beginning the document creation process, and clicking on it will take you to the next step. After clicking on Send an Envelope, you'll see an option to upload. This allows you to choose the document you want to send for signatures. Whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another file type, upload it by clicking on Desktop to directly access your computer's file explorer. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the file into the upload area if that's more convenient for you. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to input some details. Start by clicking on Name. Here, you'll enter the name of the recipient who will be signing the document. Next, under Email, type in the recipient's email address. It's crucial to double-check this information to ensure it's accurate, as an incorrect email could delay the signing process. Then you'll move on to entering a subject. This works like an email subject line and should give the recipient a clear idea of what the document is regarding. In the message section, you can add a personalized note or any special instructions you want to communicate to the recipient. Taking the time to add a thoughtful message can be beneficial, especially if the document requires specific actions from the recipient. Now, click on Next, which brings you to the document preparation page. Here, you'll have the chance to finalize your setup before sending it out. Begin by clicking on Assign To, where you'll ensure the assigned recipient is correct. Confirm that the recipient you selected is accurate by clicking on Select Recipient and then Confirm to lock in your choice. You'll then have the opportunity to make any necessary edits using standard fields. This might include adding signature or initial lines, checking boxes, or inserting text fields wherever needed throughout the document. Take your time with this step to make sure everything is in place. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and made your edits, it's time to send your document. Click on Send, and your document will be on its way to the recipient for electronic signatures. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding the document's status, including when it's been signed. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a DocuSign document for free. This intuitive process makes getting signatures fast and paperless, helping you streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.